Hello fellow traders, it's Rafał Zuchowicz and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to teach you how to install Ichimoku indicator into your MT4 platform and as well how to make your charts from looking like this into looking like that, which is much more pleasing for your eyes. And since you will be staying in front of the computer for a long time trading forex markets, you want your charts to look the best possible. This is my implementation, this is my suggestion. You can do whatever you want, but I show you how I made my charts look the way they look now. So starting from here, let's say you just want to install Ichimoku indicator. You go to Inserts, Indicators, Trends, and Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. So this is your path. When you press it, this will be the original settings, as well the parameters 9, 26, and 52. This is very important. So Tenkan-sen needs to be 9, Kijun-sen 26, and Senkou-span be 52. Don't change it, just leave it as it is. Don't try to experiment. Don't make a research online if there are any better numbers to put here. Just stick to what Hosoda discovered. The colors, press reset because these are the original colors, and that's how it will look like on your chart. Basically it looks like shit. If you want to change anything here, you could remove the grids, you could change it to candlesticks and enlarge your candlesticks, and now it looks a little bit better, but still not to my standards. And if you want to make your charts look like mine, so basically now you have indicator. So if you're happy with this, be my guest. But if you want to make it look like that, then let's see what I changed. Let's go to Indicators, Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, Edit, and these are my settings. So if, as you can see, parameters 9, 26, 52, you don't change that, but then you change Tenkan-sen red, Kijun-sen blue, Chikou-span black, so it's going behind. This is the Chikou-span. You can give it a little bit different color if you want. Up Kumo and down Kumo. So I wanted down Kumo to indicate that it's down, so give it a little bit like reddish color but more subtle, and up Kumo just to make it look like a nice blue cloud. So that means our, in this case, dollar is going up and we're happy, we're earning money. Okay, so you can just copy the settings, or what I prepared for you, if you go to templates, you can save your templates here. So save template as, so for example I can save this template now, but it's already done. Ichimoku Rafał Zuchowicz, that's the template. So if you, let's say we are here with the shitty look and we press Ichimoku Rafał Zuchowicz, there you go. And I will upload this file into my Dropbox and I leave it in the comments down below, so you can put it in your MT4 if you like this design. And to do that, you need to go to File, Open Data folder, and then you have templates here. So when you go here, just paste it here. Unless if you are using Mac, then watch my other video and you will learn how to do it on the Mac computer. but this is the way to do it on Windows. And basically that's it. This is how you do it. Enjoy trading with Ichimoku. Good luck, guys.